The Wilgenstraat is renowned for its social housing complexes. These buildings have passed their zenith and will be demolished. In its place, the site will be reshaped into new palazzo-type housing complexes in the middle of a Lee oasis. Green and tranquil spaces will be provided, but the missing question to be answered is, how do we socially connect these new residents? Let's take a closer look at the people that live within these social complexes. Through statistics, we have found out the following. These numbers might be an indicator of the hardships that they might go through. However, they're only the tip of the iceberg of what keeps these people from interacting with society, and therefore even their own neighbors. Luckily, Antwerp is filled with non-profit organizations that help residents with all sorts of problems. They all work within their own isolated field to provide the needed social services. However, these often overlap with other organizations, which causes the residents to lack overview on where to search assistance and whom to approach. If we want to create an environment where our residents feel safe and part of the community, we'll have to strengthen the communication between all actors of the system. What if we introduce a product-service system into this context? How would we connect this missing link? Let's make the impact of our change clear with the following example. A single mom of two helps her children packing their bags for school. She finds out that the children are doing poorly at school, which worries her. She is reminded of a personal device she got once moving into the building and records her worries about this problem. She drops off her children at school and heads to work. During her break at work, she decides to record another message about some financial problems she would like to resolve. When she gets home after picking up her children, they talk about wanting to play more outside instead of staying in because mom has to cook. So the mother has a great idea and gives her child the device to record a wish that they could play outside in the evening with some guidance. Later on, they pass the community hub within the social housing complex, and once standing near it, the device vibrates and lights up, showing that their message is sent out. Their messages are coded and sent to the application of a collaborative organization platform. Both Kras and Samo decide to take on the case as they are both non-profit organizations that can assist with the needs of the resident. They decide to reach out and help the mother. When she arrives home, she sees the personalized emails from Kras and Samo for her financial problems with an additional request for co-creating an activity with the neighborhood, as other residents have also made this wish for sports activities in the evening. A couple of days later, after co-creating an activity with the organization, she meets up with a couple of other parents who all drop their children at the community hub for their weekly sports activity. The parents keep talking afterwards and see they all share interest in a workshop that is displayed at the community hub. Perhaps they'll plan to all join the activity next week and get to know each other a little better.